Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this simple eye that goes with really any lip, and we're just going to jump right in. I'm going to be using the Morphe 350 palette for this whole look. We're going to take this shade right here that's almost like a creamsicle color, and we're going to buff that right into the crease. Just make sure that it's completely blended out, lots and lots of buffing. I'm going to dip back in and add just a little bit more color to that crease. Then I'm going to go in with this light warm brown shade. We're really going to pack that on all over the lid, bringing it up to the crease, all the way out to the outer eye and into the inner eye. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other eye because we don't want to look crazy. With no additional product, I'm going to take that same fluffy brush that I used to put on that first shade, and I'm just going to buff out the crease and make sure everything is seamlessly blended. Now we're going in with a darker shade of brown. It's almost like a mocha color. I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that comes in her, I'm not sure which palette it was. I think it's the same brush in every palette, but I'm going to push this shadow into my lash line, almost like an eyeliner, but it's going to be much softer because it's a shadow. I'm going to use the other side of the brush to just blend that in, but we're still going to get that effect of just like the deeper color on the lash line there. We're going to make sure that we pull that out on the outer eye. Now we're going in with all the same colors, just in different order. So we're going to start with that creamsicle, take a fluffy brush and really just buff that into the lower lash line. Using the mocha color, we're going to use a flat brush and really just press that into the lower lash line. Then we're going to go back to that lighter brown and we're going to use another fluffy brush to really just blend that mocha color out. We're going to use this shade to blend the lower shadow and the upper shadow together. You really want to kind of lift the shadow up to give your eye a lifted effect and just continue to blend. I went back in with the mocha shade just because I wanted a little bit more depth on the outer eye. You don't have to do this, this is optional. And then again, just blend. Now we're using an eyelash curler to curl the lashes, and we're prepping for mascara. I like to put my mascara wand at the base of my lashes and then sort of just wiggle up to get every single hair. Now I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter, which is amazing. I'm going to use this to highlight my inner corner, and I'm also going to use it to highlight my brow bone. Now I'm going in with some falsies. This is completely optional. You don't have to do this. You could just leave it with your natural lashes. I just love the way that false lashes make every look. Coat those lower lashes with some mascara. Now time for the lips. I'm using the Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner in Lolita, and in hindsight I probably should have gone with a bolder lip just because this video was to show you that this look can go with any color lip. You can use black, orange, red, any color lip, and this eye look will go with it. I'm using the Dose of Colors lip gloss in the shade Goalz. It smells like vanilla frosting, guys. I'm going to put this over top the lip liner. I'm going to spray myself down with some Mario Badescu facial spray just because it feels nice. Then I'm going to use some NYX Matte Finish setting spray to set my face. And that's it for this look, guys. I promise it looks good with any lip color, even though I went with a neutral. Try it out yourselves. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave a comment down below so we can chat. I'll see you guys next time.